When you look at the top of your iPhone screen, you see a row of tiny icons. Most people ignore them, but did you know each one has a secret meaning? These status icons quietly tell you what your iPhone is doing, and some even hide features you probably never noticed. Today, let's decode them one by one. Let's start with the basics. The signal bars on the left show how strong your cellular connection is. If you see dots instead of bars, that's Apple's newer design, but the meaning is the same: more dots, better signal. Next, the Wi-Fi icon. Obvious, right? But here's the secret. The strength of each band can tell you whether you're connected to a powerful router nearby or just barely hanging on to a weak signal. Now, look for 5G, LTE, or 4G next to your bars. These letters reveal the type of mobile network you're on, and whether you're getting the fastest speeds possible. If it only says E or 3G, your connection is way slower. Moving on, the airplane icon. You already know it disables wireless signals, but did you realize you can still manually turn Wi-Fi or Bluetooth back on while in airplane mode? Perfect for saving battery mid-flight. Here's one you might have seen but never understood: the arrow icon. When it's solid, it means an app is actively using your location. If it's just an outline, the app has permission but isn't currently tracking. Another common one, the padlock with a circular arrow. That means rotation lock is on, so your screen won't flip when you tilt your phone. See a moon icon? That's Do Not Disturb, or in newer versions of iOS, part of focus mode. It quietly silences calls and notifications, but you can customize who's allowed through. The battery icon is more than just a percentage. If it turns yellow, your phone is in low power mode. Green means it's charging, and red means you're running dangerously low. What about the headphones or car icon? That shows your iPhone is connected to an external audio source, like AirPods or CarPlay. And here's a tricky one, the personal hotspot icon, which looks like two chain links. It means other devices can share your iPhone's internet, great if your Wi-Fi goes down. Finally, watch out for the orange and green dots near the top right. Orange means your microphone is being used. Green means your camera, or both camera and mic, are active. Apple added these to protect your privacy, so you always know when apps are watching or listening. Together, these small icons form a hidden language. They quietly keep you informed about your phone's connections, security, and even privacy. So, the next time you glance at the top of your screen, don't just see symbols. Think of them as secret signals, designed to keep you one step ahead. And now you know the hidden meanings behind iPhone's status icons. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.